Hi, today we are going to continue discussing an archetype and let's discuss the archetype of the Temptress. This is usually ascribed to a woman, which is a seductive or alluring character who tempts the hero away from their quest or moral path. And once again, this is a product of an unfair patriarchal society. This is a society that demonizes a woman's beauty and charm and ability to influence the men that they fancy. So, for example, Circe in Homer's The Odyssey is usually portrayed as the temptress. People usually look at her as a bad woman because she tempted Odysseus to stay in the island. However, now that we are a more empowered and open-minded society, we realize that Circe is not just a temptress. She has reasons for doing what she did. In fact, in the epic musical by Jorge Rivera Herranz, he created a song about the Circe saga. And there, in that song, they said that Circe had reasons to keep Odysseus. Imagine Odysseus and his men, they literally just stomped on the island. And the people there are vulnerable. So Circe had no choice but to protect her nymphs. So she did what she did